Movie.
Huh? Movie. Holy crap, looks just like the pictures I was looking at. So little and cute. Like this bike. Oh man.
Here you go.
Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh. Doesn't go eerie.
Only when you close it.
Oh my god.
Crank it up and fire up the tunes.
Oh, I will. Trust me. I'm just realizing that it actually exists right now.
A little nicer than the other one, wouldn't you say?
It's gorgeous. Ah, it's gorgeous.
How you gonna put it in the kitchen?
Where's the other seat?
There's only one jump seat.
Really?
Yeah.
It's just a single disc player.
Yeah, I don't know. I can't find the manual.
Huh?
I can't find the manual on it. They may have it at the dealership.
Oh, I'm not complaining. Where's the tuner?
You have to play with the buttons. I don't know what all they do.
Oh, I see.
The little Z button is the equalizer. Upper left. I figured that out. So now you got to give a big thanks, Mom.
Thanks, Mom! Holy crap. Woo, yeah! Awesome.
Oh yeah, I didn't know it had a sliding rear window until last night.
Yeah. That's cool.
For Monkey anyway.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Monkey's gonna go in the back for a little while then. Visibility's good.
Yeah.
Like, I can see pretty well. This thing's got armor all everywhere.
Yeah, they just put it out of detail shop this morning.
Really?
Yep.
Wow, it's